Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a wash day routine. My last wash day was last year December when I got a fresh relaxer. So I have a lot of build up because I haven't washed my hair in like a month plus. But that was because I was out of my shampoo. But today I'm going to be doing a protein treatment as well. So yeah. So I did a hot oil treatment for the first time. I did it with a oil. I'll be leaving it on the screen. This is my first time trying a hot oil treatment, so I'll be letting you guys know as time goes on how I feel about it. So I start off by drenching my hair with water. I drench and let my hair, get very wet and damp. That's what you should do. You should, properly coat your hair, like drench your hair with water. So I go in with my Mega Growth anti-dandruff shampoo for a first cleanse because there was a time I was struggling with, dandruff, but so far of recent I haven't really noticed it, but I just want to do it for a while before I stop. So I do this as like a first cleanse with this shampoo. I had a lot of build up on my scalp and itchiness like from my last braids that I took out because making the hair my hairdresser used like gel to like hold the hair from the root, so it was very itchy and all that. So I needed something to like cleanse my scalp properly and take out all the dirt and itchiness I might be feeling, and this like helped like soothe my scalp with the menthol in it. Next up, I go in with this olive oil aloe shampoo for a second cleanse, and this one I just use it to like help bring back a bit of moisture into my hair because that Mega Growth that I use, I actually used it 2 times before I went in with this because I just wanted like my scalp to be very very clean, but it ended up stripping my hair too much. So I'm just going to go in with this to bring back a bit of moisture into my hair. I know my ends look terrible. I'm going to be getting a trim after this, so you guys should just let me know if you want me to like make a video of how I trim my hair or not. I'll be sure to make one for you guys to see how I do that. From the lather, you guys can tell that the hair is clean because if there is a lot of build up on your hair still, you can just tell the shampoo won't foam as much. But yeah, my hair was clean at this point. So making sure I washed out the shampoo finish, I went in with my hair minus protein treatment. I made sure to get the excess water off of my hair with a cotton t-shirt, so when I apply this, it's not going to be dripping all away. The product is not going to be dripping all away. The product is going to be able to sit on my hair because I'm going to be covering this up in a heat cap for the next 30 to 45 minutes. Then I'm going to come back and wash it off. So after 30 minutes, I came back to wash it off, and trust me, after this treatment, my hair was feeling, very, very soft. So if you have the opportunity to use like a heat cap with this, please do. I do not have one, that's why I'm using like plastic bag and a shower cap, but make sure you trap in the product with heat. It works best with heat. You understand? So after this, I'm also going to be deep conditioning with my Mega Growth Deep Conditioner. So I'm deep conditioning with my Mega Growth Deep Conditioner, bring back moisture to the hair. But the protein treatment already did like a lot. So this is also going to, help, keep the hair soft, silky, and very shiny. I'm going to be leaving this as well covered in a heat cap for like 30 minutes, like 20 to 30 minutes. And then I'm also going to wash it off. So I'm back after 20 minutes to wash off this deep conditioner, and my hair feels really, really soft, and I just love it. I can't wait for the hair to be dry, and you're going to see the results of all these treatments on my hair. Is going to be more shiny, and it's going to be soft. So I'm wrapping up my hair to dry off in a cotton t-shirt because I don't have a microfiber towel. But if you have a cotton t-shirt, you can improvise with that. I don't like to use heat to dry my hair, so I'm just going to let this dry to like 50%. Then I'm going to leave it to air dry for the remaining 50%. I actually slept in this because I was making this video at night. I slept with this and woke up the next morning, and my hair was like dry, like 95%. It was only my roots that were a bit wet. So this is the next day, and I'm just unraveling my hair because I woke up in the middle of the night to put it in a satin scarf. So I did that, and I'm just going to be combing the hair and applying my leave-in conditioner, a hair butter, and a hair oil to lock in the moisture. And yeah, so I'm just applying a bit of leave-in conditioner. I actually applied leave-in conditioner last night, just in a minimum quantity, like a little, because the hair, like I said, was already dry, and I didn't want to wake up this morning with very stiff hair, so I applied a little. So now I'm just going to go in with a little bit to make it soft, so I can comb it through. So I'm going to be detangling from the roots and going to be working my way up to the roots. And I know you guys can obviously not see this, but my hair is already growing out, and I'm already struggling with two textures of hair. So after this wash day, I'm actually going to be putting this hair in a protective style because my hair becomes a bit difficult to manage when I have like two textures of hair. but I will obviously be trimming out the damaged ends of my hair. Just let me know if you guys will want to see that, and I'll be sure to make the videos for you. As you guys can see, my hair feels very soft and shiny, like it has this bounce to it, and this is due to the deep conditioning treatment that I did. And yeah, it just has this shiny feel to it, as you guys can see, and I love it. So I experienced zero to minimal shedding. Like this wash day, I didn't really lose a lot of hair. I'm going to be leaving a picture for you guys to see the amount of hair I lost after detangling my whole hair. And yeah, so I put this section in a twist and go over to the next section to like detangle the hair, because I can't just comb it through once. It's going to be difficult for me to work with. So this is the amount of hair I shed detangling the other section of my hair. As you guys can see, I did not lose a lot of hair this wash day. So I got this hair cream the other day, and I actually got it because I've used the oil. So I'm still trying to see how this works for my hair, because I haven't used it for too long. I've used it for some months, but I'm not very consistent with it. I use it mostly when I have protective styles in. So I'll be giving a review on it much later. So I'm just going in with the hair cream to moisturize my strands, and I'm also going in with the hair oil that I mixed by myself. So I'm just going to be massaging that into my scalp to enhance blood circulation in my hair. As you guys can see, this hair is giving shiny, soft, it's just giving. At this point I was sweating a lot because the heat was too much. I couldn't just wait to get this hair off of my face, because guys, it is hot in Nigeria, in case you don't know. So I'm just massaging my scalp. I'm massaging my scalp to help with blood circulation, and I am done. I'm just going to be packing up my hair in a bun till I can do a protective style, which I'll be doing very soon. So yeah, that's it for my wash day. This is my hair. I know you guys can see the ends, like I said. If you want to see a video of me trimming, be sure to leave that in the comment section. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it, comment, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.